True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I am in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I'm in the Treasure Beach area. The 20th of November. Yeah man, so this is what it look like in Treasure Beach area. Giving you all an update. You know, Hurricane Melissa affected some areas in Jamaica, so I'm here showing you what go on. A lot of people overseas want to what go on in this area, guys, so thank you all for stopping by. This is your tour guide, Fire Reid. Leave in the comment section where you're watching from. This is my first time driving down here after the hurricane passes Jamaica, leaves some areas in distress. Like, share and subscribe to the channel, Fire Reid. I see where they have some burst pipe here, so that means water is still in the area. A lot of places don't have any electricity. I don't see any GPS work out at the moment. Don't know what's happening. Yeah man, clean running pretty water right here. So you can see some pipe burst or something. You know, so them places are kind of close to the seaside, so you know when the storm a blow up on the seaside, it's not something pretty you'd want to see. Because you all know Black River, ground zero. So let's see what Treasure Beach look like. I see where you have down trees, house rooftop off. So I'm heading towards Frenchman area, Jack Sprat them place there. That's where I'm heading towards. So if you like to travel Jamaica, I like to know some areas. This is the channel you're on, because a lot of people want to get around. They would like to see the area before they go, at least have an idea. I think we're heading towards Sandy Bank. From what I'm seeing, I know I go in some areas, we mean like every tree down. I'm in the Sandy Bank area, guys. Calabash Bay Postal Agency on your right. So this kind of confusing. They must say Calabash Bay, they must say Sandy Bank. So what to say? I'm close to the Lashings area. Yeah man, a few rooftop gone, you can see it. Yo, I tell us that place is a beautiful place, you know, but a lot of people get damaged. So this is Sandybank Primary School on your right. Ministry of Education. Wow. Wow. Yeah man. Sandybank Primary School. See where they have some damage over there. Yeah man, the school kind of damage. Yeah man. So I'm going over in school, yeah. So Sandybank Primary School get damaged. Look at it, my beautiful people. This is the damaged area. So let's go. We're heading back out on our journey down into Frenchman area. Wow, it's a bumpy ride over the speed bump. Come true, boss, man. I know a lot of schools cannot reopen because of the storm. A lot of people don't recover from burial, and you know this Melissa, wow. Treasure Beach FC, welcome you. So guys, welcome to the Calabash area. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.